Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today we're going to be trying the Aestura Auto Barrier 365 Hydro Soothing Cream. This product retails for $34. This is the gel cream of the Aestura 365 moisturizer. I do want to say Aestura did reach out and send me this product, but they did not ask me to do a full long form review to it, and that will also not affect my opinion on this product. As always, seeing that price point is a lot for a gel cream moisturizer, especially considering how much you get for that price point. There are so many gel creams on the market, but they use cholesterol, fatty acids, and amazing ingredients I haven't seen in a lot of other gel creams. So I'm going into this with an open mind. Couldn't find whether or not this product was vegan, but Aestura is a cruelty-free brand. This formula is also fragrance-free and alcohol-free. They use ceramides, cholesterol, and a fatty acid complex in this, but you can check out the full ingredients in the description, and also I've left the link to their website if you want to check this product out. The big things I'm going to be looking for with it include how does it feel on the skin. Since it is a more expensive moisturizer, I want to see how it compares to some of my favorite gel creams, and also if I experience any new breakouts or acne with this formula. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. I'm really excited because the Aestura Barrier Cream was something that worked amazing for me. I feel like in the summer though it's going to be a night cream, so I'd love to find a more lightweight option. And like I said, I haven't seen a lot of gel creams with this level of ingredients in it, so always interested to see what a brand does with a gel cream because it is such a saturated market. So going on the skin, it feels really nice. It has kind of a water gel texture. Finish wise, it is leaving, I mean, it's pretty dewy, but it's not heavy, and I kind of like that. I feel like this is going to dry down really nice, which is perfect. The only thing is, this is more expensive. Like, comparatively, this is looking like a more expensive gel cream to some on the market, so let's see how it feels. Feels really nice going on the skin, luxurious, and does provide a nice moisture as well. It's not heavy, but I would say it does have a dewiness to it. But feel-wise, it does not feel greasy or heavy or tacky, sticky on the skin. It kind of just feels like it's blending into the skin and creating this nice hydrated layer. Definitely see where this is a more hydrating product though, and maybe more suitable for oily skin. Definitely for the more combination to oily skin, I feel like is going to be where this product lies. I'm really impressed with it. It feels nice, it's refreshing, but it's not overly moisturizing. I can definitely tell in my drier areas, I'm gonna need to go in with another kind of occlusive moisturizer, balm, something, because it's not feeling like it's hydrating this area enough. It does feel nice in my T-zone. I feel like more oily skin, you're going to love it. I'm going to continue using it, seeing what else I notice, seeing if it breaks me out, and then I'll check it again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. There are a lot of ingredients in here that I feel like make it stand out from other gel creams on the market. I mean, including cholesterol and other really nourishing skin barrier supporting ingredients in this formula was helpful. However, the price point, at least for how much it retails for on say a website like Sephora, which is where I get all of my pricing for. It's always what a product retails for. Korean skincare products are special because sometimes you can get a great deal on them depending on the website. However, going off that, this is still rather expensive for a gel cream, and it just wasn't something that I felt like stood out from some of the other gel creams that I love on the market. My most recent and what I would compare to this product from what I've tried is the Remedy for Light Moisture by Remedy Skin. If you're able to order that product, I would personally recommend that. I like that they take a more moisturizing approach, including ceramides in a moisturizer formula, and it has more of a water cream texture to me, so I feel like it would be better as a richer, more nourishing gel cream for a more budget-friendly price point. Additionally, Bubbles water cream is always a go-to for a more nourishing water cream style product. I understand what they were going for with this formula. It is definitely a lighter weight take on Aestura's Auto Barrier Cream. Ultimately, the Auto Barrier Cream was a little bit more stand out to me than this gel cream. There are so many moisturizers on the market, but especially gel creams, there are so many more budget-friendly options. The Atobarrier 365 regular cream stood out way more than this one. And that's something that I would invest in if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, I just feel like there are some more budget-friendly options on the market. And I'm coming from sole performance and how it performed on my skin. I would rather at this time invest in the Remedy for Light Moisture. This product is still great. And if I didn't try out that formula or the bubble, I may invest in this product because it was a beautiful gel cream. If you want to invest in it and the ingredients stand out to you, then go for it, because I didn't see anything negative with it. I didn't experience acne, didn't experience anything negative with my skin. Was fairly balanced and just a standard water cream to me. A little bit more moisturizing than a typical gel cream. Had a nice lightweight ability to absorb into the skin and dried down very nice, didn't leave much of a finish. It is a great option. The price point is just a little bit more expensive. Well, I know some more budget-friendly water creams, so that's why I would go for those over this. If you don't like those products, then try out this one. I mean, it really just depends on your preference. I always tell you what I would do with my money, and I'm just not personally going to be reinvesting in this product. So for that reason, I would recommend going for any of the other water creams or gel creams that I mentioned first. And then if those don't work for you, maybe turn to this product. The gel cream market is so saturated though, so many options. If you don't like one, try another. I always go for more budget-friendly, more affordable skincare, and that's why I would go for that over this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.